All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. This project was super fun. I learned a ton. As you can see, there's tapering lines and curves and all sorts of crazy edges here. So this was a real challenging project for me, but I did it with pretty minimal, simple tools. So anybody can really take this on. A lot of the cutting was done with hand tools. I must say that I've never spent so much time contemplating the shape of my own arse. In order to get this seat just fit like a glove. So one can argue that there are times in life when being an asshole works to your advantage. Other than that, my tool recommendations for this video, the tools that I was just singing praises to this whole project would have to be, first off, hold fast. These are just absolute genius. Fiddling around with like clamps, trying to clamp stuff down to your workbench, forget it. Drill some 3/4 inch holes, get yourself some hold fast. You will never look back. Little samurai hack with these. They come just steel, but if you contact cement a little piece of leather onto that, you don't ever have to put little pieces of wood underneath, and you don't have to worry about it marring up your project. You just drop it on there, boom, rock solid. So get yourself some hold fast. Other invaluable tool would have to be this, the rubber mallet. There's a link to this up in the corner. I'll leave a link for the hold fast as well, but this is just, I'm using this all the time. I've got these beautiful hand carved mallets, but honestly I grab this more than them because you can just pound on the wood and it doesn't damage the wood because of this beautiful dense rubber on here. Just gotta have one of these, so check those out. Highly underrated tool is a nice sharp wood file. This is a Iwasaki made in Japan wood file. Love this thing, cuts like a mother. So there's a link to that up in the corner as well, description box below. And this beauty here, I pretty much use this for almost every cut in one section or another. Nice Dazuki saw, 9.5 inch. So there's a link to that in the corner as well, or in the description box below. Wood finish I use in this product was just this circa 1850 tung oil. I think there might be some thinners in this. It's not 100% natural, but dries quickly, leaves a nice finish on the wood, so I like it. I ain't gonna be eating off this thing anyway, so. Please like and share this video, and if you're not subscribed, just stop punishing yourself. Press that button. Until next time, guys. Samurai out.
Stool.